Good morning, guys. Today we will be dealing with pet birds. Types of fancy birds are parrots or parakeets, doves and pigeons, finches, and fancy chicken breeds. Depending upon the nature of feed materials eaten, birds are classified into grain eaters like doves, pigeons, and parrots, honey drinkers like myna, and insect or worm eaters like finches. Feeding of birds. The grain eaters can be fed with groundnut, linseed, pine seed, pumpkin seed, maize, sunflower seed, millet, rice, etc. Linseed, sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, millets. Millets will be taken in detail for the nutrition chapter. 85% of the feed should be grains. Then vegetables like carrot can be added. They contain lot of vitamin A. So that is important for the plumage, the feather of the bird. Then we can include banana, green chili, pomegranate, cucumber, pumpkins and papayas in the diet. How much should be fed to a bird? It is 15% of the body weight. That means if the body weight of a bird is 100 gram, then we should be feeding the bird 15 gram. That is 15 by 100 into 100.
We should let the birds eat small pebbles, marble chips, shell grit or gravel. This is for facilitating the grinding of feed material in gizzard. So the physiology and anatomy of digestive system is almost similar to that of chicken. So we should let them eat these materials. Addition of raw fruits will impair the digestion, so don't add raw fruits in the diet. We should also add cuttlefish bone, shell grit and all for minerals. Then coriander leaves, tulsi leaves and papaya leaves. These are source of minerals and vitamins and also the source of fiber for the bird. Into the classification, parrots or parakeets. They mimic sound and they are very playful birds. They have a long lifespan. African grey parrots. They are originated in Africa and they have a size of 36 centimeter. They are very intelligent and they can mimic people. Their lifespan is 50 years and they are very close to owners that they cannot tolerate rejection from the owner. The incubation period is 28 to 30.
Calves, they are very colorful birds and they have an area of facial skin on either side of the head, which is visible in the picture. That is the skin area. They are originated in Argentina and have a size of 89 centimeter. Lifespan and incubation period is same as that of African grey parrot. It is 50 to 60 years lifespan and 28 days as incubation period. They can be trained for small tasks and they are one person pet. That means they will obey only one person. So buying a trained pet will be difficult. They cannot mimic. Blue and golden one is the famous one found in Kerala.
Cockatoos, their crest is the main feature. Whenever they are afraid or excited, it will be erected. Then they have a strong and heavy bills. The lifespan is 100 years. Sulfur crested cockatoo, which is seen in this picture, is mainly seen in Kerala. Cockatiels, they are originated in Australia. They have a colorful crest and they are very good in imitation or mimicking. They have a melodious whistling sound. The varieties are grey, pearl, white-faced and cinnamon cockatiel. Conures, they are originated in South America. They are very intelligent birds. They can easily mimic others, but they cannot stand rejection. If it feel it is rejected by the owner, it will be aggressive. Sun conure with yellow plumage and green color under the wings is common in Kerala. Parakeets, they are originated in India. Indian ring-necked parakeet, Malabar parakeet, plum-headed parakeets are popular. African lovebirds. They originated in Australia. They are very small parrots with short tail. Their size is about 13 to 15 centimeter. They are extremely aggressive. Though their name is lovebirds, they are extremely aggressive. They are safer to keep pairs on their own. They pair for lifetime, so it is better to keep pairs. Peach face lovebirds, blue mask lovebirds. These are commonly seen in Kerala. Budgies or budgerigas, they are originated in Australia and they have an 18 centimeter size. There is a pale violet marking on the cheek, and below that there will be 3 or 2 black color spots. They also pair for life. Their lifespan is around 5 to 8 years, comparatively less. Incubation period is 21 days, and male budgies they can mimic. Remaining classification will be dealt in the next chapter. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.